Operations on binary numbers. Let's learn the basic operations on binary numbers. Binary addition. Binary addition is similar to the addition of decimal numbers. When the value of addition exceeds the value 1, say 10 or 11, then 1 is carried over to the left of the current position. The rules of adding two binary digits are given below. X, Y, X plus Y. 0, 0, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0, 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1, 0, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1, 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. Carry 1. For example, let us add the binary numbers 10111 base 2 and 10111 base 2. Binary subtraction. In binary subtraction, binary number of lower value is subtracted from the binary number of higher value. The given table explains the subtraction of digit y from digit x. If y is greater than x, then 1 is borrowed from the next position. When the binary digit 0 borrows 1 from the next most significant digit, it becomes 10. X, Y. X minus Y. 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0, 1. 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. Borrow 1 so that 10 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1, 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 1, 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. For example, let us subtract the binary number 111 base 2 from 1000 base 2.